Hi everyone, Aki here, and it's another video because I've got some Pinny Arcade double secret boxes with a little twist. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and it looks like we've got some double secret Valentine's boxes. But let me tell you a secret, I don't celebrate Valentine's Day, so pretty much this is Self-Indulgence Day. I'm gonna open these. These are gonna be good, and I'll have some pins. With PAX East a couple of weeks away, I'm gonna see what we get. Since my last double secret box, I got my last case, I got the Blind Camper, so I really don't have any. I don't have any expectations of this case. And neat things about the case, I've seen a few. In the Pinny Pals chat, there have been some PAX South pins cited. So, well, we're off to a good start already. Just a regular old Overwatch. That means I've got two between this and the other box. This will make for some great trading, which is great. I've been loving trading. PAX South was excellent for trading. Got a bunch of pins that I was missing. Still looking for a few of those Australia demo pins. This looks 8-bit. I don't remember who this character was. It was definitely a show set, but there we go. That's box one. We've got 12 boxes in this case. I'm already happy. With the regular Overwatch in there. People look for that. Will help spread a bit of that Overwatch love and hopefully get some neat trades. I'll be at PAX East, so it'll be great. Looks like we've got a spy, TF2 spy. Been popular as a fodder pin for trades. This fodder will be great because we're going to be getting a new staff set. I believe it is a bunch of meeples, and it's great. And then an owlbear. Cool. That's box number 2. Let's see. I don't think I've seen any, as of this recording, I haven't seen any big announcements for pins besides new staff set, new boss pins. I did finish my gold crown set just in time at Sal. Hey! Original Gabe. This is a 2013. I'm not sure who still collects based on the back of based on the date. Oh, I think this is a Vault Boy. Hey, it is a Vault Boy. Look at that. An Overwatch and a Vault Boy, and that's 3 boxes in. That's only a quarter of the box. I'm very happy with this box. I've traded my last Vault Boy a while back. What did I trade it for? I think I would have traded it for something I needed for a show. Maybe some Oculus pins or something. That's not in a blue box. That's a Blind Kemper. Blind Flesh Reaper Kemper. That means I've got one for trade. Hooray. Some Kemper collector. And there's a lot of you out there. Kemper collectors may just really enjoy that. That's good. There's another thin. Hey, another Gabe. This one is a 2012. So I've gotten two Gabes of different years in back-to-back boxes. All right. Like I can open nothing worthwhile. Oh, this sticker is a little loose. Maybe I'll just open it here. I don't have to cut the sticker. Vault Boy, Overwatch, and the Blind Flesh Reaper Kemper. Cool box. Ooh, Lyrith. Dragons, always great. There we go. I'm really happy with this box. There's a few white whales out there. Maybe gold Overwatch. PAX East 2017 logo. So speaking of PAX South pins, the show set PAX South sold out. It was also probably my favorite show set in a long time. And I'm glad for our golden pins appearing in a show set. I think it's deserving. I kind of want to see if I can get a lanyard of all 10 for the year. This is a big pin. That's because it's a big Chandra head. Actually, this Chandra head's pretty shiny. Should put that in some protection. I'll go seal this. Yeah, that's one of the shinier East Chandra heads I've seen. What is this? I think this is a show pin. It kind of looked like a shield. It's actually a lookout leader. Alright. It looked kind of like a shield, but definitely wasn't a shield. I could see the hairline and the outline. That's kind of neat. Seeing these little blue bags, seeing the outline of a pin. Alright, that's half the box. 6 boxes, half the case, 6 pikes down. Lyrith, regular Overwatch. Blind Flesh Reaper Kemper, and a Vault Boy. Very, very nice so far. Alright, 12 more pins to see. This is a gigantic pin. It's shaped like a heart. Would this be a Valentine's limited edition? Why, yes it is. I have not seen... Limited edition is limited edition, and it has been a while. Maybe someone will want that. Actually, Valentine's limited edition in Valentine's DSB. Haha, I get it. That's very fitting. I will smile. That is a fitting thing. I cannot guess this pin from its silhouette. It looks like Gabe hair, but oh. I barely remember what set this is from. This is a recent show set then. The sunglasses, because it looks like an emote. It looks like part of the emo set. Wow. Have I just not remembered what show sets looked like last year? I guess that's a testament to not knowing the show sets. But I can't even tell you what packs that was from. Yet I can't really understate how much I like the South Show set, and I hope that the rest of the set goes with it. This is an 80s Tycho. In box number, what are we at? This is box number 8. 80s Tycho. I know this show set. Did I just not pay attention to all the emote sets? Except for like Joy Kemper and Crying Kemper. Joy Kemper, Heart Kemper. Can you see it through here? I'm looking at the silhouette of the bag and it's very see-through. This is an Ack Ink Green Flame pin. That's really nice. You can still buy these, I think. But I really like this pin. I can find someone who'd trade for an Ack Ink Green Flame. This has been quite a box. There's a Valentine's pin, there's a Green Flame pin, a bunch of bigger pins. The sunglasses Gabe was also a pretty big pin. All the emotes were actually relatively large. This is a PAX logo. Exactly which PAX logo? It's red. It could be orange. It is actually a PAX South 2017. Hey, neat. I went to that PAX. I also found someone at PAX South who was looking for that exact logo. I traded that from a set that I was kind of half collecting. PAX logo pins, but it looks like I got that back. Cool. I think this is a second Lyrith. Because it's dragon shaped. Whew, 2 Lyriths. 2 Lyriths. Valentine's. Stained Glass Green Flame. Overwatch Vault Boy. Blind Flesh Reaper Kemper. There's a lot in this box to like. There's 3 boxes left. 3 boxes left. A little bit of unboxing. Happy Valentine's Day. This is Toe Jam and Earl. And the silhouette. Is it interesting that I don't remember which one it is? There's 2 Toe Jam and Earls. I think this is the first one. 2016. I believe this was the harder to get one. Either way, sweet, Toe Jam and Earl. And the second, this is a Kemper. This is a summer Kemper. This is curled up summer, not curled up sleeping, but playful, happy summer Kemper. Might be a summer Kemper, but hey, Kemper. I think I've actually managed to trade all of my extra Kempers away. Kempers do still command value after all. Alright, 2 more boxes remaining. Box number 11. This is a Gabe of some sort. I think this is 80s. Has that sort of silhouette. Yep. And we've got another pin. This is an N7 logo. I don't know if ThinkGeek is still selling N7 logos. They might be. They weren't at South. I think last time I saw them was at West, but I didn't pay close attention. Always good to know where some pins are still obtainable. I would be they weren't at South, but I wouldn't be surprised if they are at East. They're normally at East. Alright, last box, and then I will bid you farewell until oh no, another big pin. This is... I want to say this is a Witcher pin, but I'm not really sure what the silhouette is from behind. Well, damn it, Roach. Wow, I haven't seen a damn it Roach in a long time. Well, there it is. I know I was happy about the Vault Boy, the Overwatch, but there's a damn it Roach in here. Well, I'm sure that there might be some cool pin at East or another packs that I can trade that for, and this is just a normal Flesh Reaper. I can end on that note. A box containing a damn it Roach. So, sadly, no gold Overwatch. Only damn it Roach, Vault Boy, regular Overwatch, Blind Flash Reaper, and a few others. Actually, I didn't end up with any Pack South pins. Well, Pack South this year pins. I saw a few that had LEs and the golden pins from the set, but overall, thumbs up. Always happy to indulge in a little bit of, once again, Valentine's edition double secret boxes. Opening pins is fun. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and I'll see you at a future PAX. PAX East, and more than likely, PAX West, PAX Unplugged, maybe PAX South next year. Anyway, I'm Hacky. Take care, everybody. Good luck on your pin pulls, and have fun at PAX.